Happy Easter, everyone.
Hey, what's going on, guys? How you doing?
Happy Easter. So we are heading right over there to go see an Easter movie. Yay, Easter date night. Bye-bye. Easter date night. Yes. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Dude, I should have recorded this. There's these fish at PetSmart. We just went in there to try and find some Toby gourmet Easter cookies, and there's these fish that if you stick your finger in, they will try and suck your finger, and it felt really weird. It felt like I was getting little sucky kisses.
Fish kisses.
Little fish kisses. I was like, whoa, that feels weird. Hello.
Look, Madison County, Tennessee.
Oh.
That's where I spent 18 years.
You did what?
That's where I spent 18 years of my life, in Madison County, Tennessee.
Yeah.
Jackson. Yeah.
It reminded Michael because there's a person that has a Tennessee license plate. So we're going to the movies. We're gonna see the stars. I'm making up a song because I don't know the other one.
Oh, dude. You're such a dork.
You love me being a dork.
I didn't talk this way,
Yes.
dork, before you run over.
I want to get ran over by a car. It would be the second time in my entire life.
The second time might not end up the way the first time did. When you were 8 and bounced off.
I was 12. It was my 12th birthday. I wanted an ice cream cone, okay? Okay, people?
Awareness of your surroundings.
I was 12.
Facepalm. Alright.
Popcorn check, drink check, candy check, Michael check, movie check. I think we're ready for this. Yep. Yo. Hello, Mr. Munchy Munch Munch. You look like a little bunny. And you had salad in your mouth. You go munch 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 munch. You look like a bunny. Munch 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 munch. Munch. Munchy munch. Hi.
Hello.
Doing this salad eating this. See, I don't have a salad.
You already ate it.
Kidding, I already ate it. So we are at Ruby Tuesdays for our Easter dinner. And we are drinking Coors Light. And then I have a strawberry daiquiri frozen. What up?
You have a beer.
No.
I have a frozen daiquiri.
No.
That's good.
So yeah, we're having a good dinner tonight. I don't know if we're going to do anything after this, but I feel like there's something missing, and we're definitely going to do something that involves, I know we don't go big into it or anything, but with our religion, me and Michael are Christian. I know we've said that a few times about the vlog and stuff, but we don't go into it because everyone gets really raw about stuff lately. I don't think, when you were younger, did people get really super raw about religion?
Not as much as today.
Yeah. So.
We didn't start getting politically correct in this country until mid-1990s. That's when it started and kind of went crazy from there.
Yeah. But it's okay. For me, no one's right, no one's wrong when it comes to religion. People are going to believe what they're going to believe, and that's it. Me and Michael are Christian, so we're going to do something that involves, today, what it means for us is Jesus rising from the dead. So, there you go.
Enough said.
Enough said. So we're going to do something tonight that kind of involves our religion, but we're having just kind of a nice, relaxing dinner. Also, Sundays are the days that we also go on our date nights, because Sundays are the only day we get to spend with each other. So last week we stayed inside, and then this week we decided to go outside because we just kind of stayed at home and made a nice dinner, kind of relaxed at home last week. And this week I felt cabin feverish.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Ooh, food.
How are you on your beer?
My beer's fine, thank you.
Okay. And would you like to cut into your steaks and make sure they're cooked for you the way you like? Okay. How's that look?
That
It's like water
is
to me.
great.
Okay, enjoy your dinner.
Thank
Thank you.
Okay.
And this is our main dinner.
I've never seen crab cakes before. That's cool. That's
Those
different.
aren't crab cakes. Those are the little cakes.
Red things.
Yeah, little dessert cakes.
So
That
they're
they
done
bring.
with the dinner.
Yeah, with the dinner instead of on a plate. Which makes sense. Yeah. So we have a steak, a baked potato, popcorn shrimp, and two, coconut shrimp. Wow. Fail.
Oh, I don't.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lou.
You're welcome.
It
So,
is
delicious.
what it is.
Hey guys, so I'm kind of in a bit of a hurry, so peace out.
Deuces.
We love you guys.
We'll explain later.
Yeah.
We'll explain
But
later.
I gotta go.
Yeah.
I gotta go. I gotta walk out the
Bye.
back door.
Yeah.
Later, guys.
Later.
Hey guys, click that blue box for yesterday's vlog. Click that green box for... Wait. For...
Tomorrow's vlog.
We love you guys so much. Sorry that this Inslate and the Peace Out and Deuces Slate is kind of down and stuff like that because I gotta go. I gotta go to work. So I'll explain it in tomorrow's vlog. You guys will know about it later. I just can't explain right now. I don't have any time. Alright. Love you guys. Later.